I'm back for round 3. I'm going to cut this chunk off right here. Probably move this around, just put it right there. I wanted to try to mess a little bit with the actual welder itself today, because I had a bunch of comments, and thank you, by the way, that's awesome. I didn't think anybody would comment other than, hey, maybe you should try other things. So that's actually awesome that people are offering just tips and tricks that they've learned, because I'm open to all of them. So I'm going to get rolling on this, and we'll go from there. Really should have earplugs in right now, but I got safety glasses on, so that's got to count for something. I'm going to go this way so I can hold it with my left hand. Nothing, by the way, if you're wondering. I hope I didn't mess up the mic there. That guard did absolutely nothing. All flew right in my face. Not a fan. Not a fan of that one. Now, oh shoot, almost lost it there, but we're good. Okay, I had a comment that was like, hey, make sure you show your welds this time. I will, don't worry. All right, put it right there, clamp her on. Yup, that's approved. Oh, a little toasty, all right. Ooh, really toasty on that side. Ow, cool. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Forgot my drill. Not gonna lie to you guys. So it's way over there in my truck, and I'm not gonna go over there and get it. When I mean way over there, it's like a 3-minute walk, but I'm good. All right, I'm just gonna roll with this. I'm not doing this for any other reason than trying to get better at welding. So I know I gotta follow the process. Blah blah blah. No. Not to man fire. No, okay, I'm not. Okay. So here's like the first section. I got a hole here. I'll show it up like that. That it was good, and then right here is where I started the second one, and here's the second weld. I did the same thing again right there. I got too far away. Let me get you in there. You can see there's like a little hole right there. But I mean, other than that, for flux, is this bad? Probably, but to me it looks good. Now, I still haven't cut any of these to see if like it's a good weld, to see my penetration, but I'm getting a little bit more of the hang of it. So I was going in loops, and then on this one I did back and forth, and I can keep the puddle better. With the loops, I would usually go too fast, and you know, is that perfect? No, but we're getting better, because I'll show you. That was the first one. Now we're to here. It's got to be better, right? Can we agree with that at least? Round 2, cutting wheel. I'm going to try something different because I think it'd be fun. Is it probably the right way that I need to do things? And I probably should practice just doing another angle one like that. Not going to. Well, no, I could. I'll put it right next to that one. I'll get in. All right, good plan, guys. Good plan. I'm glad we're thinking the same thing. Clear. That's why we wear work boots, everyone. At least the weld hole held. I mean, that's got to mean something, right? It's got to count for something. All right, I got to get this back up. Is it hot? Nope, not hot. Okay. Ooh! It burned into my tape. Oh, no, I actually didn't. Okay. Oh! 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 I did not pull it too far away. I burned through the metal. I now see that I just burned through. I have no idea if you can see that. Hopefully this focuses. I burned through the metal. Got it. Noted. We'll toast you on that side. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Now, not only am I going across, I'm going to go downward. So I'll get some practicing that way too. No, your speaker didn't quit working. My mic shut off. So enjoy this video of me figuring out that metal is hot after you weld it. I'm not quite sure when the power went out on that mic, but I actually had a really solid video. I'm doing up and down vertical for the first time. And again, I don't know when it stopped recording my voice. But either way, I will pull you in here pretty soon. But I want to get a little bit more practice. So I'm going to redo the one on this side because it's terrible. And this one is, you know, not good, but it's a lot better than the other side. And I'm not even going to show you the other side. Here goes nothing. So bad. Anyway, we're going to try to drag. I think I'm getting better. Just remember, if you're looking to learn how to weld, whatever you do, don't do whatever I'm doing. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. But again, I don't think that's that bad. But you in the comments will tell me. Okay. Remember, I'm new to this. So if you have something that you see wrong, say it in the comments, because I don't know if I'm doing something wrong other than if it looks bad. So obviously I know I'm not doing everything correct. But anyway, this is the one. So I had this was rotated 90 degrees. So this was like the top and I went downward. I think you're supposed to go downward. Not quite sure. But then I did a drag. So I'm using flux again, just so everybody, we're clear on that. Did a drag all the way from here to this end. Now you tell me, it's not even. I gotta work on like staying straight. I know it cut in the metal. My angle was pretty good, I think. And then is this hot? So there was the backside one. And this was the second time I tried to do like welding vertically. I don't know. Maybe it'll hold. The heat tells me it will. This is 1/8 inch, by the way, 1/8 inch steel. You know, again, I don't get to weld that much, you know, but I'm learning. I'm having fun. This is interesting. It's cool to try to learn this stuff, and you know, whether or not it's actually good or not, oh well, we're learning. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I'm pretty tired, and I think I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, everybody. Okay, so everybody remember, I'm welding with flux. So if it looks really bad, that's probably because it is. But I think my beads are getting better, like the actual weld. Oh, come on, focus. There you go. Sorry. The actual weld themselves are getting better. Burn through right there. Just ignore that part. But I'm getting pretty good. The reason this part's so bad is because I tried vertical welding for the first time. So this part was vertical right here. But, yeah, and then I started another weld with this chunk. Oh, where can I focus? There we go. I need to clean it off better, but yeah, you know, again, with flux, didn't even clean the surface off because I didn't have my grinder. Then I remembered I have the wire brush, but it was too late then. I'm happy with the progress. I'm getting better. I got to start actually looking to see if these welds will like hold anything, but it's getting better.